Hi, I'm Wayne Blanchard. I'm a certified financial planner and a member of the Garrett Planning Network. Our question today is, what does a high market capitalization indicate? Well, before we get started into what does it indicate, let's talk about what is, market capitalization is nothing than the total value of the company as expressed by how many shares it has outstanding. In other words, what's the company worth? And when you start to look at that, small capitalization companies are those that are less than $3 billion. $3 billion. I hate to think of that as small, but that's what it goes by. $3 billion. Mid caps are $3 billion to $10 billion, and of course large caps are over $10 billion. So what does it mean when you have a large capitalization company? It means that the company has probably been around for quite a while. It's done very well. It may be a mature type industry. So it's going to have, as a general rule, less volatility, normally a higher income, a more steady and predictable income, and it'll probably pay some dividends. Now, it may also be less likely to grow. It's probably a company that is more in the mature stage, so it's not going to jump up in value. Let's think about a company that sold Tide. A company that sells a product like Tide is not going to jump up and change the world, but they're probably going to have a nice, secure amount of Tide that they're selling, and that it's going to pay a nice dividend because you own a company that is making money. Let's oppose that to, take a company like a Nike when it first came out. Nobody really knew what would happen with a shoe company. Was it going to make any money? So what you're doing is, if it's a small cap company, you're thinking about investing in it early in the growth stage so that you can ride the growth up. And by the time you're looking at a large cap company, you're not so much looking at growth anymore, you're looking at production from that company. So that's why you would buy a large cap company, one that could maybe help you out in retirement.